Namo Namaha. Pratidinam Samskritam Part 46. We will learn some more objects names today also. Adyapi vayam itopi vastunam namani janimaha. Shayya, Upadhanam, Vidyuddeepaha, Vyajanam, Pinjaha, Sammarjani, Avakarika, Talaha, Kunchika, Duravani. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. Let us meet again. Punarmilamaha.